How to clear recently played on SoundCloud. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that the SoundCloud application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. So just go to the Play Store and type in SoundCloud. Now check if there are any updates available. Now since my application is updated and has no updates available, I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of SoundCloud. So I'm just gonna wait until it leads me to home page. Then tap on library at the bottom corner of the screen and then scroll down, and as you can see here, the list of recently played, tap on see all. As you tap on see all, you can see all the recently played music. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it at once by tapping on the delete button at the top right corner of the section and then select on clear, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.